Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 23, OV 1. अथ श्री साई सच्चरित अध्याय 23. Chapter 23. The spectacle of the Leela of Guru and Disciple. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswate Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Kuldevataye Namaha, Shri Sita Ramachandrabhyam Namaha, Shri Sadguru Sainathaya Namaha. I bow down to Shri Ganesh. I bow down to Shri Saraswati. I bow down to the Guru. I bow down to the family deity. I bow down to Shri Sita Ramachandra. I bow down to Shri Sadguru Sainath. हा जीव वस्तुतः त्रिगुणातीत परिहोनी माया विमोहित सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप विसरत देह मानित आपणा. In essence, man is beyond the three gunas, but deluded by Maya, he forgets his truth, pure consciousness, bliss state, and considers himself to be the body. मग त्या देहाचिया अभिमाने मी करता मी भोगता माने त्रस्त होई अनर्थ परंपरेने मार्ग नेणे सुटकेचा. Then, because of the pride of the body, he believes in doership and enjoyership. He gets entangled in miseries one after the other and finds no way to escape. गुरुपदी सप्रेम भक्ती योग हाच एक अनर्थोपशम मार्ग महानाटकी साई श्रीरंग भक्ता रंगवी निजरंगी. A loving and devoted attachment to the Guru's feet is the only way to ward off the endless miseries. Sai Shri Ranga is a great actor and dyes the devotees in his own hues. आम्ही तयास मानू अवतारी कारण लक्षणे तीच की सारी परी मी बंदा अल्लाची या पदरी स्वये ये परी वदत ते. We consider him as an avatar since he had all the attributes of one, but he himself always said, I am a slave at the feet of Allah. जरी स्वये अवतार दावी पूर्ण लोकाचार शुद्ध वर्णाश्रम आचार योग्य प्रचार चालवी. In spite of being an avatar himself, he lived like an ordinary man of the world, thus setting an example to others to conform to their castes and creed. कधी कोणाची बरोबरी करी न करवी कवण्या ही परी पाही जो विश्वंभर चराचरी तयासी हारीच साजिरी. He did not compare himself to anyone and did not allow anyone to do it also. Humility is the true ornament of one who considers the whole universe filled with God. न कोणाची अवगणना कोणासही तुच्छ लेखीना भूतमात्री नारायणा चैतन्य घना पाहितो. He did not despise anyone nor considered anyone insignificant. For him, each and every object was God. He saw pure consciousness in all. कधी न म्हणवीत अनल हक्क मी एक परमेश्वराचा पाईक गरीब मी यादे हक्क अल्लाह मालिक जपनित्य. He never said, I am God, but I am a humble servant of God. I always remember God. He regularly chanted, God is the owner, Allah Malik. कोणा संताची काय जाती कैसे वर्तती काय खाती येणे न आकळे तयाची स्थिती ती तो या परती सर्वदा. We cannot know the state of any saint or his tradition from how he behaves and what he eats. He is beyond all this. भावया जड जीवोद्धार परोपकारी संतावतार होती पहा सृष्टीवर हीच सर्वेश्वर कृपा. By the grace of that all-merciful Lord, the obliging saints manifest on this earth to uplift the movable and immovable beings. असेल जरी पुण्यगाठी तरीच उदेजेल आवडपोटी ऐकावया संतांच्या गोष्टी सुखसंतुष्टी पावावया. Only a store of merits in the previous life will create an interest and love for listening to the stories of saints to obtain happiness and contentment.